In the afternoon of November 23rd, the organizing board of the Press Award on Mekong Delta region in 2020 reviewed and rewarded in Cần Thơ City. This year's award is jointly held by Vietnam Journalists Association, the Magazine of Journalists, and Cần Thơ City Journalists Association.
This is the fifth year the Journalism Award titled About Mekong Delta was held, with works increased in both quality and quantity, promoting and reflecting the economic tourism potential, social security issues, lessons in adapting with climate change, and the lives of peoples in the Mekong Delta. After 1 year of launching, the organizing board received 300 works of multiple forms, including newspaper, radio and television programs, and online newspaper. 22 excellent works were awarded, with first prize for newspaper and online newspaper given to the 4-article series titled Tricks to Exploit Policies in Draven Province by Nguyễn Việt Phương Em from Thanh Niên newspaper. The work titled Rice Export Amidst the Epidemic by Công dân Tuấn Vũ Hoài Thương from the radio and television station of Vĩnh Long won the first prize for radio and television works. The organizing board also awarded 4 second prizes, 6 third prizes, and 10 consolidation prizes, and launched the 2021 Journalism Awards on Mekong Delta.